What's up, guys? I'm going to show you exactly how to fix rounded shoulders. This is step one. There's going to be 3 steps. This is step one. So we're going to have a bench set to the flat angle, and you can have some weight additional, optional. I'd recommend starting this with just your body weight first to see how it feels. So what you're going to do is just come over here and put your elbows on the bench, and then scoot back with your knees, and then bend. I'm trying to flex my biceps down and then sink into the stretch. I should feel this nice stretch in those lats and in the back of your arm as well. So you're going to feel that there. You're trying to sink down. So you're trying to squeeze your glutes and then let it relax. Squeeze your glutes and let it relax. So you can just kind of pulse up and down like this. And if you'd like, you can also add additional weight to this, which can be pretty nice, especially if you're a bigger dude. Like if you have a lot of muscle, you might need extra additional weight. I would start somewhere between 12 and 25% of your body weight. That's just a recommendation that I found in my experience to be pretty good. So you're gonna hold the weight like this, okay, with my thumbs on top, and then like this, okay, and then same idea, we're scooting back, and then letting that weight pull us even deeper into the stretch because there's the additional load here. And again, perform the cat-cow reps. And once you're done, you just extend and then come out of it. All right, so with the overhead mobility unlocked, now right after you finish that, you want to set the bench a little bit higher to about 30 degrees, okay? 30, 45 degrees. And some light dumbbells, very light. I would start with like literally the lightest, like 2.5, 5 pounds, whatever you have. I'm actually going to show you with my arms first what this motion looks like. So you're going to actually set up on the bench. I know this looks kind of funny, but I'm going to set up with my face off the bench. That way I'm not down here with my face on the bench. I'm actually here and I'm locked in, okay? And I'm going to raise my arms up in a Y position. So just like this, and I'm reaching out in front of me, and then coming back down. So I'm reaching out, holding, and then coming back down. So again, reach out. Once you're ready, you can now use a little bit of weights. And again, same concept. If you cannot get your arms perfectly parallel like this, or in line with my body, the weight is a little too heavy. I'm trying to think using my lower trapezius muscles to lift the weight. So not necessarily my shoulders, obviously they will be helping, but I'm using those lower traps. Form this routine 1 to 3 times a week for best results, and you want to go pretty intensely. So you want to be feeling like you're working pretty hard in this workout. And again, use a weight that feels good.